Big changes are coming to Kerala's infrastructure powerhouse, KIIFB, and it's going to affect everything from your daily commute to the state's economy. The newly formed government under Chief Minister V.D. Sathisen is planning a massive overhaul. Are tolls coming to your local roads? Let's break down exactly what's happening. Before we dive into the numbers that the government is scrambling to fix, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We track the biggest political and economic shifts in Kerala so you always know how it impacts your wallet. Join our growing community right now. Alright, here's the scoop. A crucial, first-of-its-kind KIIFB board meeting is locked in for 29th May. The Chief Minister has already held high-level talks with top officials to completely reshape how KIIFB operates. But there's a massive structural riddle they have to solve first. Traditionally, the Chief Minister is the chairperson and the Finance Minister is the vice chairperson. But because CM Sathisen is currently holding the finance portfolio himself, they might actually need to amend the law just to run the board. Plus, they are urgently hunting for a new CEO to replace KM Abraham. Now, let's talk about the decision that could impact you directly, revenue. The new UDF government's core policy is to pivot KIIFB toward revenue-generating projects. The previous LDF government actually considered putting tolls on KIIFB-built roads and bridges, but they backed off fearing public backlash. Will the new government finally pull the trigger on tolls? They might have to. Why? Because the central government has dealt a massive blow by deducting KIIFB's loans from Kerala's overall borrowing limit. The centre's logic is simple. Since KIIFB doesn't make its own money, its debts are the state's debts. This entire battle is currently sitting before a Supreme Court Constitution bench, and the new government has to decide whether to fight it or drop it. Just look at the sheer scale of what's at stake here. 1.10 lakh crore rupees, the total value of projects under KIIFB. 1,237 projects, the massive pipeline currently on the books. 25,000 crore rupees, the value of projects completed so far. The remaining projects need to be finished on time, and those massive loans have to be paid back. Finding an ultra-efficient official to steer this ship is easily the new government's biggest hurdle. What do you think? Should the government introduce tolls on KIIFB roads to save the state's borrowing limit, or is there a better way? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this breakdown valuable, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. Stay informed, stay ahead. See you in the next video.